Yo, what up? Supreme Week 18. the last packages I have from this season. It's officially off season time, and yeah. Waiting for the fall winter 19. Hopefully it's much better than this season. This season was pretty trash. I haven't copped a lot of stuff. I got a big Supreme bag though. So I picked up 3 tees. Let's see what sticker pack I got. Alright. Got the cloud and the spear. First tee I got. Bela Lugosi, size medium. This is a navy colorway, but navy basically looks like a black. Love the black and white photo on there, and it's just a Supreme. That's the first piece. Second one, I got the white greetings tee with the Twin Towers, New York. Greetings from Supreme, size M. Needed some white tees for the summer. And the last one, they didn't throw me a pin in this one. Nope, they didn't throw me a pin. Messed up, but picked up this, it gets better every time. Supreme. It's this old ass lady. It gets better every time in black, so just picked up 3 tees. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe. Got more videos coming in soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.